YouTube, we have a problem. The Sena 20s Evo has developed a fault. And the fault is that the microphone on this one has no audio. The problem, I think, I hope, I don't even know if that's going to pick up. I'm hoping this pin, like so many other Sena headsets, is corroding. And there's a little bit of corrosion on this pin as well. Now, a bit of an experiment today. I'm going to try and repair this pin. Now, how do we do that? My initial thoughts was possibly solder. Could I just drop a little bit of solder on there? But again, the heat transfer, would I damage other pins? I don't know. Anyway, so my cousin is an electrician, and I phoned him up and I asked him, could he suggest a method in which to repair the pin, or at least attempt to try, because as it stands at the minute, obviously the headset is no good, so there's nothing to lose, I suppose. So yeah, can you suggest a method in which to repair the pin? And he suggested a silver conductive paint. Now, I never knew that such a thing existed, and I obviously put into a search engine silver conductive paint, and lo and behold, a load of results came back. So I bought some silver conductive paint. Ta-da! And it comes in a very, 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 very tiny little syringe, which I suppose is good because we have this little needle that's probably the right sort of size to dollop a little bit of paint on there. Firstly, I think I'll give the contacts a wipe with an alcohol wipe just to clean any grease off. Now, while that's drying, we will have a look at the little tiny, tiny, tiny syringe. I wonder if maybe I inject, the silver paint, would I turn into? Maybe it's not. Is it like Wolverine blood? Right. So we're just going to try and apply the tiniest bit of paint. So maybe tad too much on there, but we'll just try and clean that up. But you get the idea. There's a little bit of corrosion on this pin as well. So I'm hoping now this is still going to be wet. Just to trim that off so it doesn't make a contact with the other pin, because I put a bit too much on. So I'm not too particularly bothered about this area, obviously, because there's no more pins going this way. That looks to be okay here. There's a break between those two and a break between those two. Maybe a steadier hand. A little bit disappointed with that, but it's, you know, it is what it is. And again, the same with this one. Just put a little bit of the silver paint on the top of this one, because it looked as if it had a little bit of corrosion on. This was the worst one, and I think that this is the problem why the mic had no audio. So I think we need to leave that for approximately an hour, and then we'll fit it back on, and hopefully we'll get a result. Okay, so that's it. This has had approximately an hour and a half to dry. So now it's test time. Fingers crossed. We need the help of an assistant now to see if this is working. I'll be right back. My assistant has the helmet, so hopefully. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Hello. I have audio, but you can hear me fine?
Absolutely.
There we go, and we've got audio coming back. Super fix. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Okay, so there we go. Really happy that's worked. That's basically saved this Sena from going in the bin. So I hope this video is going to be of use to others out there that might have the same problem. And again, from some of the videos that I've seen, it always seems to be these two front pins at the top that get the corrosion. So there we go. Yeah, a nice easy fix. Fantastic. A working Sena 20s Evo. There we go.